Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your photo background like a pro using Photoshop Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to install Adobe Photoshop application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed this application, you can open it. And then we're going to go to the Insert Objects menu right here. We're going to use this feature guys to change the background of our photo. I'm going to tap on that, and then we can choose a photo we want to edit or photo we want to change the background. And for example, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then we need to remove the background first. You can use a brush to remove the background. Okay, you can brush on your image to select an area to insert object. And we're going to insert object in the background. So we need to, remove the background of it. Okay, I think that's not perfect, but that's okay. This is just for an example. Okay, and then it can describe the object you wish to insert. It means that you can describe the background that you want to apply. And for example, I'm just going to add magical forest as the background of my photo. Magical forest with butterflies and fairy. Okay, and then we can tap on generate, and then the AI will generate a background for this photo. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, now it's done guys, and then as you can see that the background of my photo has been changed, and here are 3 results. Okay, I think I prefer this one, so I'm going to use this one. Or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can refresh it and the AI will regenerate a background for you. Oops, sorry. It's out of credit. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change a photo background like a pro using a Photoshop mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.